Hey guys, welcome back to my new adventures on the Kiamichi Railroad, guys. Welcome back, guys. I didn't go out rough fanning last night. I did not be on the chase, but here they come, guys. It was going to rain and storm, so I decided to stay in. So here they come. Alright guys, like I said, I missed them last night, and so it was about to storm, so I didn't want to take a chance and stuff like that. So alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. I want to see if I can catch them one more time and see if I can meet them in Valiant. Probably where there's light like this light and stuff like that, and catch them. So guys, I'll catch you on my next adventure on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. What is his problem? I don't know, guys. So he didn't scare me a bit. So if he gets hurt, that's on him. But well, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next adventure, guys. If some of you haven't subscribed, please do. If you like, please press the like. If you like my video, please give me comments below, and I'll read your comments, because I got a place where I can read your comments and I can comment you back and stuff like that. So if you're not ready to subscribe, just take your time. I ain't no hurry. But if you do, press the like and keep watching my videos. And I'll catch you guys next time on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Road. Catch you guys on the next adventure. And so, alright guys, I want to see if I can catch them one more time, but I want to go drive across a grade crossing they just put in a couple 7 weeks ago. So, and I want to go see and see how it feels going across it. So alright guys, catch you guys later. Marshing out. I'll see you in my next adventure. I'll be posting this video soon after I post the other video. Alright guys, share, subscribe if you haven't. Please do. If you haven't, please do. And I'll catch you guys later. Marshing out. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys next time on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad, on by the Genesee in Wyoming.